Before cleaning the Bronco, just letting you guys know, man, we got scratched hard right here.
Look at this.
It looks like someone keyed our Bronco. It's deep. I think we got this in Santiago Peak, making room for the other trucks going up. So just letting you guys know, like, yeah, we got some scratches. Trail scars, there you go. Where else? We'll probably see some more. When we were checking it the other day, when we were in the trail, we didn't see it because the sun was reflecting it. So, you know, it was too bright. Let's see if there's any more scratches. No, that's pretty much it. We are going to use our MAXIMA Racing Oil Bio Wash to clean this off. I was actually going to wash the car today, but I said, you know what? Let's use this. We've been using this all the time in all of our car shows, car competitions. That's why now we only have 1/4 left. But we have another pack waiting for us at home.
SC1, what do you use that for?
So I use this to clean it off. I use this to make it shiny, but if you really want to make it super shiny, we use our speed wax. We also use this too for our interior. Actually, all of them. This one too for our interior.
And glass.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot about that. We use this for our glass.
The SC1.
The SC1. It makes that glass right there nice and shiny. Going to clean half of this with our bio wash. Remember, we came from 2 trails, Santiago Peak and Johnson Valley.
Yeah.
Okay, so we let it soak in and
For a
let's
few seconds.
clean it.
Whoa.
And just like that. And there's some bird poo I just finished wiping out.
Wow, that's just the bio wash.
Yep, and this is how my towel looks like. So there, you can compare it.
So you have the dirty side
And
then the clean side. You can see the glare here
I'm now going to spray it with the SC1
to make it shinier.
And remember, this goes for like any paint job.
And you can barely see the scratches. Clean to dirty.
And the scratches.
Yeah, and that's not even washing the car. Wow, look at that.
We're now using our speed wax on the nice clean area now to give it that waxy look.
And we haven't even changed our towel.
Yeah, still using the same dirty towel.
It's so shiny. Feels like it never went anywhere.
There.
There you go. You can see the dirty side versus the super clean shiny side.
And check this out. It's so
And there's no
smooth.
Yeah, and there's no feeling of oil.
Oh yeah, the scratch? I could barely see it.
Yeah, you can
now.
barely see it. But the thing is, you don't feel the oil. When you touch it,
Oh, yeah,
you
that's
don't
right.
feel any oil.
Yep. Here's my handprints. I'm like smudging it in.
Yeah, nothing. Oh, there you go, guys.
There you go. So we'll be using our bio wash again.
We're moving to the paint section.
Yeah, the regular paint door section.
Yeah.
So we're gonna clean the dirtiest part here, because I was gonna clean it this part, but this part still has some little bit of clean area here. So we're gonna clean this part right here. I'm still using the same towel that I used to clean the fender. So I'm just gonna go this way.
Oh, I can see our reflection now. Dirty, clean.
This part did take a lot of dirt.
Yeah.
Now I'll be using the high gloss, the SC1.
I can see my reflection. And that's just the bio wash and SC1. Yeah, there's no streak marks. And then also there's no feeling of oil.
So we're now using our speed wax. I'm now using
The clean side.
the clean side now.
Wow. That is shiny. Feels like we went car wash.
And added stuff. Look, you can see,
Yeah.
you could barely see reflection, super dirty on the top. And now you could
See
see
our reflection.
like a mirror.
Yeah, I know. Look at that.
And don't forget, guys, we have won 9 times already using all this.
I know.
We'll now be cleaning our tires and wheels. And
Yeah.
I'll be using our bio wash. So I'm using the dirty side because this is gonna get really dirty. Now we're about to find out if we put any scratches on our
I know.
wheels.
No scratch at all.
Wow. Just using the towel and not using a brush. This is how our tires and
Yeah.
wheels look like. Using our bio wash to spray the top.
Yeah.
Our soft top?
Our soft top. Even
Wow.
a fabric.
There you go. There's the clean side and the dirty side. We're going to use our bio wash to clean the interior. So here's a dirty, nice, dusty, sandy part of the door. There.
Nice.
Hey, we're also gonna use our bio wash to clean our rock sliders.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and this one is metal, steel.
Wow. It's brand new again.
Brand new again.
From-
and if
from
you
the
want,
factory.
Here, we'll go to this side, the driver's side. So this is how it looks like right there.
Yeah.
And then go back.
And then now it's like this.
Yup,
nice and clean.
It's our SC1, and we'll make it nice and shiny.
It's nice and shiny. Looks like it's brand new again.
Yup.
Looks like it never went to a trail.
Just finished using our MAXIMA racing oil, and we used it for paint,
Mm-hmm.
interior plastic with carbon fiber. We use it for steel metal, carbon fiber with a big key scratch from the tree. And we also use it for rubber and wheels. Our bio wash, or our MAXIMA racing oil, is also made in the USA.
Yeah.
And they're from San Diego County.
Yeah.
In Santee, California. And
You can use this in like any vehicle.
yeah,
right?
any vehicle. And also we use this too to clean our engine bay, our undercarriage, mirrors, some of our shoes.
Yeah. Like I clean my shoes with the bio wash.
Whatever you could see, or even the aluminum skid plates. I use this to clean the aluminum skid plates. Our discount code to save 10% is Bronco ADV. So
Yep.
BRONCO ADV. And you save 10%.
We're now doing the final
Touches.
touches.
Yeah.
We're using our bio wash. And then here we are. We set up everything. Here's our trunk.
We just got this at Wingstop.
Korean barbecue. Here's the original barbecue. And then
Lemon pepper. And, oh wait, we got some ranch. And then we got some French fries with cheese.
Yep.
Wow, this is so good.
yeah.
Okay,
this.
let's do this. The only problem is you look funny. We were all dirty. Now we're like,
Like
clean,
we have a-
dirty, clean, clean, dirty. And then the other side's pure dirty. Oh well,
no.
whatever. Okay, let's go.